Okay, hello everyone. So welcome to the continuation of our form validation UI. So in this particular lesson, we are going to continue from where we left off. So now let's work with the inputs. Okay, we have the inputs, okay, which is going to be the fields. Okay, so our inputs, which is the email and then the password, as we have here. Okay, so input. So that said, it's a class. Oh no, it's not a class. Okay, we have the input field. So I'm going to give it a width of 15 rem and then a height of 2.5 rem. 2.5 rem. Okay, now let's give it a border, or let's give it background color of FA 4. Let me see, 4 or FAD 04B. Hope it works. Okay, yeah. Then we are going to have to give it a border radius of let's use 0.3 rem. 0.3 rem. Okay, so we're giving it some rounded corners. Now we'll work on aligning the text. So align text align the center. Okay, so we have it centered. Okay, so our text are centered. Let's work on we have the background. Let's do some border. We'll give some border properties. So border, we are going to make it 2px solid, and then let's give it some color code of hash 13345 and E. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And then we'll give our placeholder a color. So placeholder. So remember we have placeholder, which is this email and then password. So colon placeholder. Okay. And I'm going to give it a color code of let's use this color code. So background color. Sorry. Let's rather use color instead. Okay, so the color is changed. Okay, so let's give some margin. Margin to their inputs. Where's our input? Or rather, button. Um, let's see, form elements. So let's work on the text decoration here, as we have here. We'll actually bring it down here. Okay. So to do that, it's an a tag. So an anchor tag, as you see here, which is this. Okay. So we are going to give it some properties. So text decoration to take the line out. So that's the underline here. Text decoration to none. Okay. And then we'll work on giving it, I think that's, or let's give it a color. And I'm going to give it, let me use hash AAA. Okay, that's fine. And then let's work on the text itself. Okay, so the text itself, which is more options, is in the h6 tag. So I'm just going to type h6. So h6, and then we'll give it font weight of let's use lighter. lighter. Okay, so we have it here. So now let's work with let's see, giving them some padding. So dot password. So that's the password. Okay. So we'll give it let's give it a margin of margin top. Let's use margin top of let's use 20 px, 20 pixels, and then we'll work on margin bottom to margin bottom. We'll also give it 20 px. Okay. Then let's display flex. So display flex, align items center. Okay, which is the password here. Then let's just copy it and then do same for our email. So I'm going to change here to email. Okay, so you can see it's moved. Okay. Okay, so in the next lesson, we'll work on this, give some padding here, and then work on the icons here. So thank you.